Now, Storm Tracker 9 weather with Chief Meteorologist Holden LaCroix.
Welcome back. We have a lot of weather to get to and a new episode of Holden's Hike. So let's dive into those details. Corvallis right now, you can see a strong northwest wind moving in, and that is actually keeping the temperature a little bit cool and improving the air quality. Notice how clear it is up towards the northern Willamette Valley, while the rest of us down towards Springfield are dealing with the smoke and haze. That being said, we still are going to have some periods of smoke even across areas of Corvallis. And then overnight tonight, if you are headed toward the Benton County Fair, temperatures cooling off into the 60s by around 9 o'clock. And overnight tonight, you are going to notice the cloud cover streaming in, but that flag that you saw on top of the courthouse indicating some pretty strong onshore winds, which are going to continue even after sunset. Notice 14-mile-per-hour winds toward 9 o'clock tonight. So it is going to be breezy if you're headed toward the Benton County Fair. That being said, we have some serious news to talk about, including the red flag warning. That goes into place across southern Lane, areas of eastern Douglas County for tomorrow afternoon. And it's for the potential of thunderstorms, not only the lightning, but the gusty wind potential that could come from those. Even if we have thunderstorms that develop out across Klamath County, those wind gusts will likely extend across southern extremities of Lane County this weekend. That being said, most of the focus is going to be on Saturday. By Sunday, we will start to clear things out, and we're even going to be tracking the possibility of a smoke starting to drift a little bit further back into the Willamette Valley by next week. That is after we deal with some cooler temperatures expected for the first part of the week from a shortwave trough. That being said, we still have quite the bit of smoke and haze right across areas of Lane, southern Douglas County, but notice the cloud cover starting to drift north. That is because of this guy right here. High pressure funneling in all of that monsoonal moisture from the desert southwest. Again, this is the remnants of a tropical disturbance that actually moved just to the south of Cabo. But thanks to this strong high pressure system, it is pulling it up along the west coast. And that is going to produce our thunderstorm chances for tomorrow. And that's why we have this red shade of area indicative of the best chance of thunderstorms across Klamath and Lake counties, even portions of Jackson County tomorrow afternoon. But notice it even bulks up right into southern Lane County. We cannot rule out a stray thunderstorm for areas like Eugene, even up into areas of the Oregon coast, possibly this weekend. Now, most of the energy is going to be focused out toward the east side, but as always, we're going to be watching that very closely. Here's the cloud cover streaming in from the south again for the coast. Thanks to this warm temperatures inland, cool temperatures offshore. You guys have had the cloud cover throughout the day. Well, inland, we're going to get the mostly cloudy skies tomorrow afternoon as a result of this monsoonal moisture. Here comes the shower. Possible thunderstorm chances starting to build as early as in the morning. And again, that'll continue into the afternoon. And we are expecting completely sunny skies moving into Sunday. That being said, as we see this moisture, we're going to see air quality improvements for Saturday. And you can see most of it is going to be drifted off towards central Oregon. So if you're headed out towards areas of Bend, be cautious, rapidly deteriorate air quality over this weekend. That being said, by Sunday, that smoke and haze will likely drift back across the southern Willamette Valley, but still a perfect pool day at about 93 degrees. Saturday, just remember when thunder roars, head indoors, and we could still have a thunderstorm chance even across the Willamette Valley into Saturday afternoon. For the Oregon coast, you can see the low-level clouds and fog towards Saturday, mainly sunny skies toward Wednesday. You can see more sunshine, warmer temperatures for the Oregon coast, for the Umpqua Basin, around 87 tomorrow afternoon. A few isolated thunderstorms toward eastern Douglas County, but we could see that even across areas of Roseburg, and the smoke will likely return for Sunday. Up into the Cascades, 75 degrees Saturday afternoon with thunderstorm possibility, although it's mainly across southern Lane County towards this weekend. And for the Willamette Valley, we can't rule out, again, a stray thunderstorm for Saturday across southern Lane County, but we're going to be watching that closely, and eventually we get some cooler temperatures toward next Tuesday and Wednesday.